Okay. So hi Shravani, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm fine. What about you?
I am fine. Okay. So tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my full name is Govindi Chinnari Shravani, as Govindi is my family name. Sir, I am belonging to the city Vijayawada and from the state Andhra Pradesh. Coming to my family background, we are of four members in our family, my father, mother, and my. Coming to my educational qualifications, I have done my graduation in agriculture from Lovely Professional University, Punjab, and thereafter I have continued my masters also there in horticulture fruit science. I am a recently passed out student. And coming to
Okay.
my yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. Coming to my achievements, sir, I have completed two internship programs in my masters, which is a business executive in Anant Agri Services in the month August to October, sir. And thereafter, I have continued my second internship from the company Syngenta from November to February, sir, as a lab scientist. And I want to say that I have won the best lab scientist award there in Syngenta, sir.
Okay. Great. That is great actually.
Thanks.
Okay. So my first question to you is why do you want to work in a sales profile? Because see, you have done a degree in different domain, right? In your particular domain, you have multiple job openings, right? If you apply for jobs because you have a degree, you are Sri Lanka, like you have gone to Sri Lanka, you have won some degrees there, right? So if you apply for a job, definitely you'll get a good job in your domain, in your profile. Then why do you want to apply for a sales domain?
Sir, here there is a realization in my life. When I have joined in Syngenta as an intern, there totally my thinking, my interest, everything was changed. I have so much influenced by the people there. The sales and marketing persons, and I have seen clearly their strategies implementing in the business that has influenced me more actually. So at that point I thought that no, Shravani, you're not belonging to this field, you're belonging to something related to marketing and sales. So I from there I have changed my interest and then searched for these type of jobs.
Okay. So in Byju's, why do you want to go for product specialist? You can go for a sales domain also. There you'll have good salary, right? You'll have more options to grow in sales than product specialist. Then why do you want to go for product specialist profile?
Yes, sir. I completely agree with your question, sir. And I also want to say you that when I gone through the product specialist job description, there I have seen that the role is mainly included by monitoring parent and child regularly, talking to them, solving their
Okay.
issues on a daily basis. So I liked it
Okay.
more, sir. I liked it more.
Okay. Cool.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me something about the profile. What is the profile exactly? What is your job role basically in this? What do you know
Right.
about all this?
Right. As a product specialist, my main job role is to monitor the students and help the students throughout their Byju's journey, as well as the parents also. So my
Okay.
main aim is to not to get face any problems by the parent and also to the child, and also update the information on a daily basis. What is the new changes takes place in the Byju's application to the parent and also to the children.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So now, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
Yes, sir. My strength is that if I have focused in any particular kind of work, I will finish it, sir. I never leave it in the middle. My commitment, I should say, frankly. So I am
Okay.
very committed to my work. I am
Okay.
potential to do any kind of works. Uh, I will take any type of work as a challenging, sir. Challenging to me. So
Okay.
by that, I will find my success in that, sir. I'm a punctual person.
Okay. Cool. Okay. And what are the weaknesses?
Sir, my weakness is that I trust people very easily.
Okay. Cool.
Yes.
That is a weakness.
Yes, sir, of course. Why? Because in these days, not every person is genuinely want help, sir. Some are frauding also.
Okay. Cool.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So now I would like to know from you that suppose if you are a mentor, you got a job role in Byju's, okay, and now you are talking to some parent, okay, and the parent is saying that I haven't received any call since I purchased Byju's. I was told that mentor will contact you. Mentor will give you a call within 2-3 days. But now it has been 14 days since I purchased Byju's, but no one has given me any call. No one is asking me about update, what I am doing right, what I am doing wrong. Nothing is going right. Right. So how will you handle the situation?
Okay, sir, as you said your problem to me, let me check your details and everything. Give me a 1 minute time, sir. I am checking your details, everything and all.
Okay, you
Uh,
checked it, and the
okay.
conclusion is that no one has called me in 14 days.
Okay, sir. Sir, I personally want to say you sorry for this situation you have faced. Sir, actually in Byju's, this very rarely, as a company takes it more serious about its reputation and also regular processing of the works. Sir,
Okay.
whomever has done this to you, I make sure that person not to make this regular thing. Why? Because it's not a good one. But right now, I am promising you that from now, this type of situation you won't face anytime, sir. It's my responsibility to take all whole activities of yours as mine.
Okay, cool. Okay. My next question to you is, suppose I am a Hindi customer. I know only Hindi, and I know you don't know Hindi, right? You can't speak Hindi. Can you speak Hindi?
Yes, sir, मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ.
So it's you can speak fluently.
हाँ जी.
Okay. So suppose you get a Tamil customer or Telugu customer, which language you don't know. Suppose any language.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Whatever you don't know. Suppose Malayalam. You might not be doing Malayalam, right?
Yes.
So right. Suppose if you get a customer in different language, okay, and he is not comfortable with Hindi or English. In that case, how do you handle the situation?
Okay, sir. Firstly, you as you have requested me to speak in your mother local language,
Yes.
it is definitely a little bit barrier to me. Why? Because I don't understand your local language, but I can very much comfortable in speaking in English, sir. I know that English is a common language which everyone can understand, so I can
Okay.
easily transfer the information which you need in English, sir.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So can you tell me what is the basic difference between a mentor and a teacher
Yes, sir.
in Byju's?
Yes. See, sir, here as a teacher teaches to the children in a more number of quantity. As well, when it comes to the mentor personally take care of a particular student and guide them through that particular path which he is facing trouble with.
Okay. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Sir,
That is a basic
actually,
difference. I know. That is a
yeah,
basic thing that teacher is teaching and mentor is guiding.
yes,
Anything apart from this?
yes, sir.
Job role
Teacher
of mentor?
also. Yes, the job role of mentor is to walk in the path of the situation, and also he transfers the information which he have experienced. It will be more beneficial to the students who are having mentors.
Okay, cool. Okay, so if I give you a chance to make one change in educational sector of India,
Yes.
what do you want to make? Being in Byju's executive, what do you want to make that one change?
Yes, sir. Being in Byju's executive, I want to change one thing in the educational system, sir, which is conceptual learning. Which some of the institutions are pressurizing the students uh, by students. Some of the students are not liking some of the subjects which they are not interested in, but the institutions are forcefully uh, giving that information to the students which they are not interested. So at that point the students are getting prejudiced, sir, which is seriously to be eradicated these days.
Okay, so suppose you are given a chance to speak to your manager and you told all this thing to your manager that I want to make this particular change.
Right.
Okay, and manager is denying that don't do all this, just do your job, whatever you are doing, don't give me suggestions. Manager is a rude person, okay, and he's telling you don't give me suggestions, okay, don't overthink, okay, just do what is your job role, okay, and you both are not having the same mindset, right? He is having a different mindset and you are having a different mindset, okay, and you're not having any bond with the manager, okay, whatever you say to the manager will definitely oppose you because he don't like you, okay, as a working person he don't like you, he don't like your work, okay, whatever be the reason, okay. So in that case what will you do? How will you sustain in the system?
Yes, sir. Sustaining in an organization serious issue to a particular candidate, sir. Why? Because if his work is more likely to the manager, only the manager is getting some of interest or may help that particular candidate, sir. So firstly I make sure that I want to work correctly. I want to achieve the targets of my manager which he has given to me. So firstly I will reach upon his requirements of me. So later I will create some positive side of me in him, sir. So later on that maintaining a good relationship bond with him, then I slowly say him that, sir, these are the advantages if we implement these type of techniques in the education system. These are the benefits which we can avail if we introduce these type of new things to the market. Please think politely, sir. I will request, sir, actually.
Suppose he's not agreeing, then he still, your work is good, okay, everything is good, but still he don't like you. Like being a working executive, he don't like you as your work. Okay. So like what will you do? How will you sustain? Whatever suggestions you're giving to manager, whatever help you're asking, he's denying simply that do whatever you want. I won't suggest you anything. Okay. So then what will you do?
Sir, my main motto is that I don't want to change my opinion, which I have got in my mind. I will keep it in my mind and continue my journey with that organization only. Whether the manager is being rude to me or that doesn't matter, sir. I will continue with my organization, and at some time it may happen. At some time, manager may change. So until then, I will wait, sir. I don't want to argue with him. And
Okay. So you'll wait till that time,
yes, sir,
right?
surely, surely.
Okay. So you won't go to higher level if you are saying something right and manager is saying no, don't do this. So won't you go to higher level? Like manager might be having a senior manager also, right? There
Yes,
might be a chain.
yes,
As you are an employee, you're having a manager, he might be also having a manager. Okay.
yeah,
So you are having a pathways. So you won't
yes.
cross that if you are right. You'll just keep doing your work.
Sir, actually, if I cross that also, my manager may get some negative impression on me. Firstly,
So he is
being in
already
job.
having a negative impression. See, he don't like your work. Okay.
Yes, yes,
He wants to remove you from system. That is the thing. He don't like you at all. Okay. So whatever work you are doing, he'll find negative points only in that. Right. So he's already like against you. So how will it impact if you are going to a higher level, if he is feeling right or wrong, good or bad, whatever is that? So how will it impact? If you are
sir.
already wrong,
Yeah, yeah.
then how will it impact?
Okay. Sir, I will request my manager that, sir, give me a chance of conducting some panel meeting like that, where our all the managers may come there and once listen to my request. So, sir, in that meeting, anyone would not encourage me or would suggest my request to move forward, I will don't think about this furtherly, sir. I will do my work, I will be polite to you, and everything will be normal only. But give me a chance to express my views in front of all the panel members.
Okay, cool. Got your point. Okay. So my next question to you is, suppose like I am a customer and you are being a mentor, you are calling me, okay, to ask me about the progress and everything, okay. And I am just saying that, ma'am, thank you that you called me. The first thing is that I was waiting for your call eagerly. I
Okay.
was trying to reach mentors, but they were not contactable. Okay. So thank you for calling me, and I want to refund the product because I don't like the product. Okay. And I am within the 15 days of refund period time. Okay. There's a 15 days refund period time. Okay. So I am calling you within that. Okay. I'm telling you, ma'am, it has been 13, 14 days. Okay. And now I have 1, 2 days left. Okay. Then my refund time will expire. Okay. So I just want to give me my refund. I don't want the product. Just take this away. Give my money back. That's all.
So, sir, firstly, I am appreciating you to showing your interest towards the Byju's product, and you have taken
Yeah.
it. So, it is the first step you have connected with the Byju's. So,
Okay.
sir, after this, I want to know that what's the problem you are facing. So, you said that no mentor has called you till now. So,
No,
I
no,
am
no. That is
calling.
not a problem. Mentor has called me. Okay. I was trying to reach mentor, but I was not able to contact them. Their number was not reachable. Okay. My exact concern is now, see, I am having a child who is in class 4th, okay, and he is doing good in maths and science, okay. The problem is with Hindi and social science. In Byju's for class 4th, you don't have Hindi and social science, okay, and he's very weak in that, okay. So I was thinking that you might be having all the things in the curriculum, okay, but after purchasing Byju's, I got to know that Hindi and social science is not included, okay. That was my main concern. So for that, I have to keep a private tutor for teaching him Hindi and social science, right? There is no use of me taking Byju's now because science and maths are good already. He is doing good, and I know he'll do better. Without a teacher, also he'll do better because he has his personal interest. But what about rest two subjects? He's failing in that, Hindi and social science. That is my problem. That is why I want a refund.
Sir, your concern is totally acceptable. Sir, I promise you that your child will get whatever he wants to get from the Byju's. He will get it, sir. I will put a request to my higher authorities, like you are willing to take the science and also this type of learnings from Byju's. So if I request them, sir, you may have the chance to learn these all within the Byju's only. It will be an
No,
added
but
benefit to
see,
you.
in your curriculum only, I called Byju's once, okay, the customer care part, okay, and customer care told me that in the curriculum there is no subject like Hindi and social science. So how will you add that? Will you add that for me?
Sir, if you are willing to stay connected with Byju's, we may request from our side that to include those two also, as you will continue your journey with the Byju's. That is more important to us.
Okay, so for me only you'll request, right? Because I am the only person and the only parent who is requesting you. So for me, you'll add the subjects, right?
Sir, actually, this request may have also raised by several number of students, and the company is also thinking to add these type of things in our curriculum. Definitely, it is a thinkable issue right now, sir. It will solve very soon. I promise you.
No, when you will add, tell me the exact date and time.
Yes,
I
sir. We
want
are
that.
going. Yes, sir. We are going to conduct some meetings within our panel, and we will discuss it and let you know very soon as possible.
See, I got your point, but see, I know the meetings, right? You'll have two, three, four meetings, okay? You'll discuss everything again and again, okay? And panel will say, I'll think of it and we'll do something suddenly and we'll do in some time in future, right? So why my child should struggle, okay? Suppose if you take 4 months or 3 months, right? Then why my child should struggle till that time? Because see, I have paid the amount to you, right? So I have done my job.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your commitment? What is your like? What part you are doing for me?
Yes,
Why
sir.
should I wait for one day also? Why should I wait?
Yes, sir. Sir, here my main concern is to support you as a mentor, sir. It is also to take your concern and forward this request to our higher authorities. As I said you that this is a main problem faced by the several number of parents who are informing same such things to the company. This issue will be taken very seriously these days, sir.
Can you give
And
me a date?
yes, sir. I'll surely let you know within a daytime, because the discussion process all will take a daytime, sir. So after the
So,
discussion, as soon as possible, I will revert to you, sir.
okay, suppose a day has passed out.
Yeah, yeah.
Now next day you are calling me. Now tell me, a day has passed. Now,
Sir, on the second day morning, after by afternoon, I will resolve this issue, and every meeting will be done, and one thing will be finalized, sir. So
okay,
I'll let you know by
okay.
that evening.
Suppose meeting has done. Okay, in the panel they told you that we'll add soon. Okay, they have not given you any date, any time, nothing. Okay, they have told you that we'll add soon. Okay, we have taken your request and we'll add soon. Meeting is done. Now afternoon, I am calling you. I am giving you a call. You pick the call, and now I'm asking you that what is your commitment? What is your
Hello.
There is some technical issue. Wait for 2 minutes. We will resolve this.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
me and how will you respond to me?
Okay. Sir, as you have called me on the next day, I want to say you that, sir, the meeting was conducted by our panel members, and also they have said that these things will be implemented as soon as possible. So, sir,
Okay.
I want
Ma'am,
to,
ma'am, what
yes,
is soon? What
soon
soon
means,
defines?
yes, sir, the action will be taken very fastly. Means, sir, you may think that I should wait until then. Yes, sir, I would say that it is worth waiting. You know the
No,
importance
no.
of
I got your point. I'll wait, but I want a date. I don't want to hear soon or like as early as possible. Don't say
okay,
all this. I
okay,
want a date. Tell me a date. If you tell me after 1 month, I'll wait. But give me a date. At
okay.
that particular date, it should be added in the curriculum.
Sure, sure,
If
sure.
not,
Your yes, sir. Your concern is accepted. Sir, I said you yesterday that I will let you know about by after conducting the panel meeting what's their decision is. So today I have
okay.
said that they are willing to accept add this to the curriculum, and also I will make sure to promise you that soon after this means tomorrow by tomorrow I will talk to my panel members and let you know about the dates, sir.
Okay. Okay. Suppose next day also passed, and they are telling that tell the customer there is no date. We cannot give you a date, right? Because we have to talk to senior authorities, okay, of Byju's, and then we'll schedule something, okay? So we
Okay.
cannot give date because see, if I'm giving you a date, at that day, if it is not added, then customer will shout on us, right? So that is the reason we don't give dates, okay?
Okay.
So panel told you that convince the customer as you want. We don't have dates. Now what will tell me?
So, sir, I will promise you that by the next month end, there is no particular date, frankly, to you, sir. But by the next month end, you are going to get what you want, sir. It's my promise to you.
Okay, okay, cool. You have promised to the customer, right? Okay. Now the next month has ended, and it is not added in the curriculum. Now customer is shouting at you. He's just screaming at you badly that I was on your promise, and now because of your promise, my date has passed of the refund, right? Because of you, my date has passed. You told me to wait, and I was waiting till that. And now what are you saying? That thing has not been done. Then what to do now?
Okay, sir. As my panel member said that the next month, by the next month end, the issue will be solved. And I also know that your refund amount date is also will be also closed. As my concern, and I will forward this issue. I will discuss it to
Ma'am,
my
see, I'll tell you one thing. I
okay.
don't know your panel. Okay. I don't know your heads. Okay. I am a customer. I have nothing to do with all these things. Whatever panel is saying, whatever your senior manager is saying, I don't know anything, right?
Okay.
I just want that you committed me something. You committed me a date, and thing has not been done. Now I want the refund at any cost
Okay.
because I was on your words.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
gave me words. That's why I was waiting for 2 months. So now I
Yes.
waited for 2 months, and now I want the refund at any cost.
Okay,
But
sir.
now, as per the company's policy, you cannot refund to the customer.
Yeah.
So
Sir,
what you will do?
as this issue has totally a wrong thing done by our company, it is also the company responsibility to initiate your refund. Why? Because they as they have promised by the next month, they didn't delivered it to you
So did company told
rightly.
this to you that we'll refund the customer if not added? Did company mention this thing
Sir,
in the meeting in the panel?
yeah, means, sir, I may request this from my side, sir. I may request this by my side.
Rejected. Request rejected. You requested to the panel, and panel said rejected. Now, now, okay, we'll discuss this in feedback session. Okay, just leave it up to here. Okay, because we can discuss this all night also. This won't have any end. Okay, so we'll discuss this in the feedback session. Okay, so my next question to you is: tell me 5 skills of Byju's that makes Byju's different from other applications.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, the marketing strategies of Byju's and the platforms which it appears is completely different, sir. Its marketing strategies was different, and also there is also a personal monitoring which was very feasible to the students, and it is more likely in Byju's, sir. Also, the parents app, this is more important, sir, where the parents also get regular updates about their children, what they are doing, and everything that all. Also, sir, in Byju's, we are providing some personal concern, means what students likes. The mentors are providing by considering their own interest. Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, got your point. Okay, so I want to know three positive impact of COVID from you.
Okay, sir. So due to COVID, every person has stayed in home, and also they have developed self sustainable life. They have also has spent some quality time with their family members, which they don't get any type of chances in further or before also. So also people get aware about home remedies, like following some health consciousness and following some natural therapies, sir.
Natural therapies.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
cool. Okay, so I want one more from you.
Okay, sir. Due to COVID, there are also some virtual interaction between the people around all worldwide, which doesn't happen before, sir. But these days, it is more easy to interact with people virtually, and this has been increased, sir. After the post-COVID, also some universities or some institutions are planning to maintain this type of pathway furtherly, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I want to have some academic questions to you. Okay, so try to respond to that academic questions. First question is, what is Newton's second law of motion?
E is equal to mc square.
Sorry, Newton's second law of motion, E is equals to mc square. Heard for the first time. Okay, if you have mentioned E is equals to mc square, tell me what is E is equals to mc square. Who gave this equation? What is the equation about? What is the name of the equation? They might be having some name. You and me are having some name, right? Equation might also be having some name. What is the name? Okay, fourth law of Newton.
Sir,
How
I
many
don't.
laws Newton have?
Sir, as of my knowledge, it is three, I guess.
Sure,
Yes, sir.
it is five. Think of it again.
It is three, I guess, sir.
It is three. Okay. Why the color of sky is blue?
Uh,
Okay. Seven color of rainbow in sequence.
okay, sir. It is Vibgyor, violet, vi- uh, violet, white color, blue.
So sorry, Vibgyor. You told Vibgyor, right?
Uh,
So VI, V then I comes.
yes, sir.
I
V.
for V for violet. Okay, got your
Yes.
point. I for don't know. Okay, cool. Okay, got your point. Okay, so my last question to you is, if not structured today, suppose if you don't get a chance to get selected in Byju's today, then what is your plan B?
Sir, as of my interest, it is my whole interest is that to be a part in Byju's. So I will continue to apply the Byju's after 90 days, sir, because my main aim is to join in Byju's according to my interest.
According to your interest. Okay,
Yeah.
so you'll wait for 90 days, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
You won't apply
Meanwhile,
for
I
any other
will.
company?
Meanwhile, I will I will give time to more myself to improve, sir.
Okay, so you won't apply for Vedantu or any other company?
No, sir, nothing like that.
Okay, you won't apply. Okay,
No, sir.
cool. What is the salary expectation?
Sir, it is as per company norms, sir. As a fresher, I don't have any particular things
Okay, so
to.
as per company norms.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And we have a contract, if you know, that we also have a contract of 3 years.
Mhm.
If you sign a contract, a bond with us, then only we'll hire you. If you don't sign a bond with us, then we won't hire you. So are you willing to sign a bond with us for 3 years?
Yes, sir, I'll definitely willing to sign a bond with you. Why? Because as a Byju's company, so if I also tie a bond with you, there is also a chance to grow within the company also. So I will happy to tie a bond with you, sir.
If you break the bond, you'll have to pay 5 lakh rupees.
Yes, I don't think so. I will break the bond, sir. Why? Because I will be very punctual to my work and I will continue within the organization.
Cool. Okay. So the interview is done.